When they bring the knife to you, give them everything you have to them to confuse them. Bring the phone, give them the phone. Tell him, oh, I have a laptop. Give it to him. Give him the phone charger. USB cord. As I give it to him, they mumbling. It looks like you heard. Now what should you do? Sorry. Please, you can take my card. It's my boot. I have money in there. Give me all the money. Give the money. Give the money. Give the card. Give everything. I'm sure you did that out. No. You know the guy, the fetish priest. When you see that they have fear in them, take a little, clean your lip. Trust me over there. But you fucking guy. You know say you fetish priest when you give me and I can't collect your phone. You know, I don't want, your mother know what, I can't collect your phone. Trust me. Let me welcome on stage my sweet sister. The mother of the 2-4, the ex-girlfriend of Bishop. Let's welcome on stage.
Big round of applause for DKB and Afia Schwarzenegger.
Beat up on me that this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Beat up on me that this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Beat up on me that this a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a pele like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a pele like a Peter Pan. Me a get a